Hello everyone! Today I am going to show you how to make a New York-style Oreo cheesecake with an Oreo crust and topped with some whipped cream. It is smooth, creamy, and not too sweet. So let's get started. Crush up 160 grams of Oreos in a food processor. Then mix it with 56 grams of melted unsalted butter and set aside. Grease a 6-inch cake pan and line it with parchment paper. Fill the cake pan with the crust and press down firmly to form an even layer and set aside. Preheat oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. For the filling, cream together 340 grams of room temperature cream cheese with 80 grams of granulated sugar. Mix until smooth and lump-free. Add 60 grams of room temperature sour cream, 20 grams of heavy cream, and 8 grams of vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. Be sure to scrape your bowl in between additions. Mix in 3 grams of all-purpose flour and a pinch of salt. Finally, mix in 108 grams of room temperature whole eggs on low speed until well combined. Fold 113 grams of Oreo chunks into the batter. I cut Oreo cookies into quarters. Pour batter into cake pan and lightly tap on the counter to remove air bubbles. Place cake pan into another baking dish and fill hot water halfway up for a water bath. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit until it sets, about 35 to 40 minutes. Allow cake to cool at room temperature, then freeze overnight. To remove the cake, heat bottom and sides of cake pan with a torch, then tap on the counter. To finish, you can decorate with some whipped cream and some more Oreos. Allow cake to thaw and enjoy. Time to taste! They're so creamy. It's soft. The crust and the cookies inside gives you a nice burst of Oreo flavor. If you love cheesecake and all things Oreo, you gotta try this. It's perfect. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the like and subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell button for notifications. Leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Life is uncertain. Eat to serve first. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!